training centre. Today we want to introduce you to a new product that we're selling, and it's called WaterPrime. It's done by JUNO. It's a universal primer that will stick directly to a lot of different substrates. We have a range of similar products that will stick to plastics, uPVC, wood, MDF, different alloys like aluminium, galvanised steel, plasterboard, gypsum. It'll allow you to quickly and easily paint all these types of items. We can apply it by paintbrush, by roller, or by various types of spray gun. So what we'll do is we'll set up a pump system for spraying. So this is ideal if you want to do large areas, but as I say, it can be used by brush or roller. So we have our pump set up, it's primed, we have paint in the line, we're ready to go. One thing worth mentioning is we have a control valve here for the amount of pressure. So clockwise we can increase the pressure, anti-clockwise decrease the pressure, which is very handy. This particular product, WaterPrime, it comes with a viscosity, so it's a paint thickness if you like, of about 18 and 19 seconds, so it's quite light. So we really don't want a really high pressured jet coming out. We want to get a nice even spray fan. What I'll do is I'm after winding out the valve to lower the pressure, and I'm just going to test it to make sure the spray fan is okay. Obviously if it's putting it out too quick, it's going to run. Okay, so that's one full coat of WaterPrime. We'll let that dry for a couple of hours and then we'll test it. More than likely, because it's wood, the fibres in the wood will stand up, so we need to give it a light sanding. We'll do that and then we'll give it a second coat, and then we should be on then to our top coating. Okay, we've finished now. We've given it 2 coats. We put the first coat on, waited 6 hours. We gave it a light sand. The wood was quite rough. A lot of the fibres stood up, so we sanded it down with some 240 grit sandpaper, dusted it off, and then gave it a second coat of primer. So it's ready now. We can move on to the next stage of top coating it, or sometimes we've been asked where people manufacture things from wood and various things where they make them, but they don't actually end up putting the finishing paint on. So this will be good as a holding primer, and it'll allow you to put either solvent on top of it or water-based. So if it's water-based, you can top coat it after 6 hours. If it's solvent, you must wait 24 hours before you top coat it, otherwise you could have issues.
If you have any further questions, please contact an advisor at vinnieburn.com. Alternatively, email sales@vinnieburn.com.